Hello, welcome to another tutorial with me. My name is Molly, and I'm here to teach you just a little bit of what what my yoga practice looks like. So 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes that you can bring into your day. So today we're going to focus a little bit on the wrists, elbows, so the whole arm, and then the shoulders, just finding some mobility in all the joints, but also to build some strength. So you don't have to have a mat, you can do it on the floor as well, but we are going to start standing. So make your way onto your mat and join me. So what we can do now is just close the eyes and feel the feet into the floor. So with our yoga practice, it's nice to just come into the body. So taking your awareness out of the outside world into the internal landscape. Feeling the body from the inside, feet, legs, hips, up into the abdomen, the chest, shoulders, feeling the arms and the head. And then bring your awareness to your breath. So in yoga, we work with the body as well as the breath. So just noticing your inhale and your exhale. So if you can, breathing in and out through the nose. Inhale. And exhale. And we work with the body and the breath to bring a little stillness and calm and peace to the mind. And then you can bring your hands together in front of the heart. Bow the head. And then press the hands together. You can open the eyes. So really pressing all the fingertips together. So creating a little bit of tension there. And then just move the fingers forward and into the body. So away and in. Good. And then continue to take them forward. And then you can bring the tops of the hands together. So bringing the tops of the hands, so you kind of take the fingers down. Then we just do the same. So moving a little bit of pressure. Good. And then continue to take the hands in, up, and then roll the wrists. Palms touch. And then continue to roll. So using that tension to release the wrists here. Using the pressure of the hands pushing together. And then change direction. So only using the body's own force kind of to create this pressure in the wrists. Good. And then bring the palms again to touch into the heart. And then release the hands wide. And then up. And we take it down. And we just take it up. You can cross the hands, taking it down in front of you, cross up. So working into mobilizing the joints. Up and down. 2 more times. So this is a nice practice to do whenever you're sitting a lot. Just standing up and moving the arms. Good, and keep both arms up. Stretch up. And then I'd like you to take the feet a little bit wider. I'm just going to go off the mat so you can see my full length of the body. So feet are going wide. And then I'd like you to turn to the left. As you turn, take the arms wide, bend the knees, and then take the arms down through a squat. Take it to the right side, and then bring it up. And then do about 5 more of these circles. You can go a little bit faster. So we twist, we go down, take it to the other side. You're welcome to go as low as you like. You don't have to join me in these deep squats. You can just kind of move a little bit. Staying upright. One more. And then pause, or we change direction to the right side. Wide arms down, up through the left. Remember to breathe here. One more. And then up, stretch. And then arms wide, down. Good. Let's roll the shoulders up, back, and down. Up, back, and down. And then change direction. Take it back, up, forward, and down. Back, up, forward, and down. And then bring the hands to the shoulders. We're going to do the same thing. But now you can feel that you've got more mobility in the shoulders. Taking the elbows wide, down, forward, up, back and down. And then change direction. Take it back, up, forward, down. Back up, forward, down. One more. And then relax. Take the arms up, stretch. And then exhale the hands wide. And down. And then you can start to shake the hands. It's almost like you're flicking the fingers. You can bounce the shoulders a little bit. Couple more. Remember to breathe here. And then just relax. Good. Take the right arm out to the side. And then straight arm forward over to the left. Take a hold of that right arm with the left hand and just pull a little bit. Then you can turn the head over to look to the right side. And so my right fingers are spread, my palm is facing back, and it's a straight arm. Release the left hand, take the right arm again out to the side. Take it behind you, so as far as you can. It's going to turn so you can see. And then relax. And we take it to the other side, so left hand out to the side. Over. Take it across, take a hold of that arm, the right hand, and gently pull. And you can also turn the head to the left. And we just stay for the stretch a little bit because it feels really good. Release the left or the right hand. Arm goes out to the side, and again, just a little bit behind you. And relax. Good. And then you can take the fingers behind. So just one more stretch of the shoulders behind the body. Bend the knees. And then interlace the fingers. We're going to use the shoulders to roll back and down. Elbows can be bent. And then as you straighten the legs, you can straighten the hands down. Arms. And then if it feels good, you can take the hands a little bit away from the body. Keep squeezing the fingers. So feeling that little bit of tension or pressure of the shoulder blades squeezing together. And then take a deep breath in. And then exhale, relax. Relax completely. Release. And shake it a little bit. And finding your mountain posture. So the feet is underneath the hips. The feet are underneath the hips. The body is straight. And then drop the chin down to the chest. Then you can roll the chin very slightly over, gently over to the right side, lifting it up. Down to the left. And then change direction. And then straight ahead. Good. And then you can take a downward facing dog. So standing in the back of the mat, you can fold forward and you can walk the hands forward. Bring them slightly wider than the shoulders. Fingers are spread. Pressing into the fingers. You can bend the knees and straighten the arms and straighten the spine. That is a great arm strengthener. And then lift the heels nice and high. Release those ankle joints. Take them back down towards the floor. And then bring the knees onto the floor. Release the feet. And then make sure that the hands are underneath the shoulders. Take a deep breath in. Exhale fully. And then we're going to do a plank posture, Palakasana. So for this, just being mindful that you're pressing into the hands, and then you're not falling down through the arms. The shoulders are rolling back and down. The chest is lifting, belly is lifted. And then you can tuck the toes and just step back with the one leg. Noticing that the body doesn't move. You can stay here or alternate between the legs, or you can lift both knees, feet back. And remember to breathe here. And take one more deep breath in. And then exhale, one knee down, the other. And then just push back and sit back into the shin. So you can come onto sitting on the floor or a chair. And then just close the eyes for a moment as you allow the body to relax. Feel the difference in the neck, on the arms, shoulders, in the wrists and the fingers. Take another deep breath in. Exhale fully. And then bring the hands into the heart. So we bring the palms together and we just start to rub the palms a little bit. Then placing the hands over the eyes. Take a deep breath in. And then as you exhale, you can very slowly, very softly open the eyes into the hands, into the warmth of the hands. And then slowly start to filter the light back in as you take the hands down. So I hope you enjoyed the little tutorial on the arms. So it's nice to remember just to move the joints every day. Gentle stretches. And then also building some strength in the muscles. So your downward facing dogs, your planks. Basically any arm position that you have to hold for a little bit. It's quite nice to just also challenge yourself. So yeah, hope you enjoy the rest of your day, rest of your evening, whenever you're doing the tutorial. And I hope to see you soon.